What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Josh. This is jsurbanadventures. It's been a long time since I made a review video, and since I'm out on this camping trip and I've got some new stuff to try out, I'm gonna review it up. Today we've got the Sawyer mini water filtration system. I've never used one of these life straws. I'm gonna try it out today because I'm out of water. I'm on day 2 of my camp. I'm out of water. I can't drink out of this lake. My dog can, but I can't. So I'm gonna test this thing out right now. Let's roll the intro, boys. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna go ahead and just open this thing up, see what's inside it, and read all of it. So we get the life straw, Sawyer life straw. It says Flow Sawyer Mini 0.1 microns absolute hollow fiber membrane. We got some stuff we've got to throw away, and we've got this Sawyer cleaning plunger. We've got a straw. We've got a cap. I think the cap goes on here. So it comes with a bag that you can put your water in. It comes with this and this. Now let me take a look at these instructions and see what I'm supposed to do here. Let's see what the box says on the back. It says, for adventurers who don't want to be limited by added weight or size, this 2-ounce mini filter is rated up to 100,000 gallons, yet small enough to fit in your pocket. Use it on a pouch, bottle, straw, or hydration pack. It has a mini filter, cleaning plunger, drinking straw, and a 16-ounce pack. Ways to use: you can put in a bottle, squeeze it, use the straw, or put in your backpack. Oh, so I could just fill my hydration thing in my backpack with water and put this in between the hoses so that I can just fill it up with water and just drink straight through this. That's pretty cool. So absolute microns, longer lasting, 3 times tested, protected fibers. Cool. Let's see how to use it. Do not squeeze the pouch too hard or wring the pouch. Backwash the filter more often and with more force. Bring the lightweight cleaning plunger on your trip, especially if it's a multi-day trip. It is important that the first backwash is strong so that it cleans out all the fibers rather than creating passive resistance. This doesn't tell me how to use it though. Alright guys, so before we get too far into this review video, I do have to show you guys how to backwash this filter, because as you're going to see in this review video, I didn't backwash it before I used it and it was tough to pull through. Later in the video you're going to see I tried to hook it to the downline of my water thing in my backpack, which has a long straw, and I couldn't pull through the straw because this thing was too clogged up. So what you want to do is, before you ever use it, you want to backwash it. The way you backwash it is you get your little syringe system, you suck up some warm water into it, you fill it with some warm water, and then you're going to blow it through the system backwards. So this is where you would normally suck through. The water would come, dirty water would come in here, clean water comes out here into your mouth. So you're going to put your syringe with warm water and you're going to push the water through it backwards. And you want to do this rigorously for about 5 minutes, just, you know, multiple times. Just basically put it on the end and you squirt it through. You just want to do that a couple times. Apparently it's like maybe like a carbon fiberglass sort of filter in here, and you just want to loosen up those fibers, get all those fibers out. So you backwash it a few times with your syringe, and then that way it loosens up the flow in this thing. So make sure you backwash it when you first get it. I also wanted to show you, this is my roommate's that he got. Same system. This one's a little more expensive because it comes with the bottle and the bottle cap, but it's the same thing. It's just this piece, the straw, attached to a bottle cap. You can fill this with dirty water and just drink through it like that. Pretty neat. You just want to make sure that you backwash it first so that you have a smooth, easy flow. And so remember, you just fill your syringe up with water, put it on the outspout normally, put it on backwards, and just blow it through a couple times. Spend about 5 minutes doing this with warm water. And then when you store it, it says that for long-term storage, you can use the baggie attachment, fill the baggie with warm water, put a couple drops of bleach in there, and screw it on, and just leave it like that for long-term storage, I guess, so it doesn't like calcify and get blocked up. And every time you're gonna take it out, you wanna backwash it a few times. So that's how you backwash your Sawyer mini water filtration system. Let's get back to the review. Where's the instructions on how to use it? Huh. Maybe it's here, backwashing. When the filter flow slows, it will need cleaning. This is normal. To clean the filter, follow these simple steps. Remove cap filter from pouch. It doesn't tell me how to use it though. To use, unscrew cap / filter from the bladder. Okay, this is the cap, it's already off. Fill bag with water. Screw back on cap / filter. Okay, that's this. Squeeze bag and dispense or suck on push-pull valve. Close push-pull valve when finished. Okay, it seems pretty simple. So let's fill this up with water and let's try this thing out. So I just fill this with water. Inflate it a little bit. I'm gonna have to try it on my other water filter thing, but then I guess I screw this on. So I got a little water in here. Now let's try this thing out. Let's try this thing out, huh? I can't get a lot of water in this bag though. So I'm gonna have to get my other water bag and I can put the straw in it and try that. The straw fits onto here. Okay, makes sense. It's just like that. Tastes great. That's some awesome mountain water. Let me try just getting it straight out of the water with this. I guess this is for cleaning plunger, not for medical use. You should put it in like that and shoot it, or maybe you put it like, oh yeah, you put it like that and shoot it through there. Let's see if I can just drink out of the lake with this thing. I'm gonna get my hair wet, but try this. How you doing? Stay there, Echo. Don't move. Nice. Echo, stay. Where you going, buddy? Come here. Echo. I'm gonna put you on your leash. You don't stop. He's trying to follow all the other doggies. Come here. You can't go out there. You gotta have a leash on the trail. Echo. Come on. What you doing, bud? But anyway, Echo, get down here, bud. Come here. He's a good boy. Stay down here. But anyway, it works excellent. That's awesome. So you can just put it in the water. You can use I can fill up my big bag of water that's at the camp and put the straw in it, hook the straw to this and just drink it out of that. Or I can use it as a a line in between, because I have the kind that goes in your backpack and comes through a straw, so you can just drink it. I can use it on that, fill that thing with dirty lake water, and just drink it. This thing's pretty awesome. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna run a few more tests with it. I will record those tests when I do them, and I'll put them in right here as some B-roll so you guys can see how it works. But pretty much that's it for the video, guys. All right, socks are drying outside. I was able to unclog my my water straw for this thing, and then I tried hooking this on the downline of the straw like it says you could do, but I think I need to backwash this a few times. It says backwash it with hot water if it's difficult to pull the water through, and it's difficult without a straw, but with that long straw on that thing, it's impossible to pull any water through. So I've got to backflush this with some warm water a lot, especially for the first time. You got to really backwash it the first time quite a bit. So maybe tomorrow morning when I'm boiling water for tea, I'll boil a little extra to get this thing working good. Where you going, Echo? Come here. Stay down here. You gotta stay down here, bud. He wants to go exploring. You give me an angry face. Guys, that's it for this review video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't subscribed yet. We do all sorts of outdoor adventures. Hopefully we'll get to some urban camping soon, just exploring the city. When we get to travel, we explore the country, product reviews, camping, catch, clean, cook, all the good stuff, just everything it takes to survive in this crazy world we live in. But make sure you guys drop a comment, share this video with somebody you know. If you really want to help me out, here's a way you could do it for free. All these products I review, I am an Amazon affiliate. Check the links in the description. I'll have a link to this item from Amazon. If you click on it, you can buy it, and I will get a portion of the proceeds, and you don't have to pay any extra. But a better way you could help me out is, well, a bug just got a little minnow or something. That was crazy. But if you really want to help out without spending any extra money, next time you go shopping on Amazon, come to this video, click on my link, go to Amazon. You can navigate away from this item and buy whatever you want. Whatever you put in your cart and you buy, I get a percentage of the proceeds. It doesn't add anything to your cart. But even if you don't buy this item, it doesn't matter. As long as I navigate you to Amazon and you buy stuff, it helps me out. So next time you're doing some Amazon shopping, come by the video, click the link in the description, and that'll help me out a lot. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna head out. It's been your boy Josh. Peace. What you doing, bud? I gotta get some fish. It's time to catch some fish. How about that?